I greet you and I wish you well. Eyime Edemudia brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and always visit our website www.bitcoinpikin.com. Share this video with your friends as well. Today, Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin has stated in an interview that he is confident that Ethereum will get a pass from the SEC and will not be determined to be a security. The question that comes to the forefront as the SEC has declared authority over all cryptos that are found to be security. Chairman J. Clayton has stated in a congressional hearing on February 6 that he has considered all ICOs as security, not unlike owning stock in a company. The SEC has far-reaching authority where US citizens are concerned, whether they are residing in the United States or living in other countries. The SEC jurisdiction extends to all US authorities worldwide. The main concern is that Mr. Clayton has said that many ICOs are illegal and the SEC has already begun to bring criminal charges to bear in some cases. A meeting of financial regulator is set for May 7th, reportedly to specifically determine whether or not Ethereum should be strictly regulated as a security under federal law. Bitcoin and related cryptocurrency are considered pure medium of exchange and have a pass from SEC. The hope is that Ethereum has enough similar qualities, having been mined after its initial coin offering phase and having been used as a medium of exchange for a number of years, that it too will get a pass, of course. Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin says he is completely unconcerned about the discussion regarding Ethereum because the development team has spent a tremendous amount with lawyers in the United States and in other parts of the world, other countries, and have essentially been assured that Ethereum will not be determined to be security by the federal regulators. Let's see. Once again, thank you for watching out this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. You can check down below on the description box for informative links that will be helpful in order for you to make money. If you want to make money from cryptocurrencies, I can actually introduce you to a site called bitcointeam.club. In bitcointeam.club, you get free cryptocurrency trading signal that are worth $300 monthly. You get it free for 3 months. Sorry, in my last video I said 6 months, but I actually wrote to them and I got a response from the Bitcoin Team Club as 3 months, not 6 months. So you actually get a 3 months free cryptocurrency profitable trading signals. You get there through your mobile phone. Apart from that, you also have an opportunity to earn for yourself over 4.9 Bitcoin. It is a very simple first step for you to earn 4.9 Bitcoin. What are you waiting for? I'm not a financial advisor. What you're hearing from me today is my opinion, and what you're hearing from me on this channel is my opinion, and my opinion is based on research. You are an adult. You can actually do your own research. Do not take any YouTuber's word for a conclusion. Just take a YouTuber's word as, okay, this is a key or a guideline. Yes, do your own research. Okay, Bitcoin has gone as high as over $19,000 as of December 2017. I keep saying this because the price of Bitcoin is going to as high as $100,000 or more. Please take advantage of it. You can't buy Bitcoin now, you can't buy one Bitcoin, but you can buy some satoshis of Bitcoin. Even if you can't buy Bitcoin, are you satisfied with your current financial situation? Are you happy with the way the economy is treating you? Obviously, no. You want to make money. How do you make money? You need to get up from where you are, take a step, and then you make money for yourself. I will be your guide. Yes, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, and then if you have more questions, please check the description box below for my email. Send me an email, I will reply to you. This channel is a growing channel. That's the Bitcoin Pikin. It's a growing channel, and we hope as soon as we get to 100 subscribers, I mean 100 subscribers, 100, I'm going to give out 5 special gifts to 5 subscribers who actually drop their comments on each of my videos. So please, you are my viewers today, please drop your comment on the comment box. What do you think about this video? Are there anything you want us to review, programs you want us to review? Please also drop the comment down below. Once again, thank you very much for taking out your time to watch this video. Please use my affiliate link below to sign up for Bitcoin Team Club and enjoy free profitable cryptocurrency trading signal, and at the same time an opportunity for you to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Check this.